Assalamualaikum 3 class. This is your lecture number 8. We are going to start exercise 1.4 question number 2. Encircle. We have to encircle the greatest and cross the smallest number in each set. Okay, we have encircle the greatest number and cross the smallest number in each set. So how to compare the numbers? In previous lecture you should also understand that if the terms have the same number of digits, we have compared like that. If the terms have at both terms are at thousand place, we have compare from the thousand place. Mean, for example, all the terms are 4 digits number. There are 5 terms, 4 digits number. Okay, mean these are terms are in thousand place, these terms in thousands place. So we should starting comparing from the at thousand place. हमने thousand place से comparing start करते हैं. ठीक है, if you observe that here the number is 5 but here the number is 3. In previous question we have compared 2 terms, but in this question we have compared 5 terms. Okay, if you observe that this 5 is greater than other all terms, this 5 is greater, so we can set that this term will be greater in other all terms. ये term सब में से क्या होगी? greater होगी. mean इसका at thousand place it has greater value at thousand place. Okay, other values have the less than from this term and have the same. Okay, उनके thousand place पे 3 digits है. mean 3 है, यहाँ पे 3 है, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या 5 है. mean this term will be greater. Okay, so this is the greater, so encircle कर दिया. now we have select the smaller between them. Okay, so now students you should see that here the number 3. Now this term is the greater. now we select the smaller term from that 4 terms. Okay, but if you know that student, when the digit is same at thousand place, we have compared to the 100 place. thousand place पे 3 है. now we compare that 100 place. if you observe that here is the 7, here the number is 9, here the number is 2, here the number is 6. 2 9 7. we have selecting the smaller number. the number at 100 place has less value should be smallest number. Okay, at 100 place पे जिसकी वैल्यू लेस होगी वही स्मॉलेस्ट होगा. मीन 2 लेस है, ये 6 है, 9 है, 7 है, 2 लेस है इन सब में से at 100 place, because 1000 place have the same digit. Okay, 3 but at 100 place these two has the smallest value at 100 place. so this term should be smallest of all other terms. so we will put the cross on that term. Now see another example number B. here the firstly, now comparing 3, here the 2, here the 2, here the 2, here the 2. now I will explain on page. Student, you see that we have taken part B. all the terms have 4 digits, mean at thousand place. now compare from the thousand place. if you observe that here the number is 3, here is 2, here is 2, here is 2, here is 2. so this 3 has greater than value at thousand place with other digits. Okay, with other terms. Okay, so this term will be greater in all. at thousand place पे जिसकी वैल्यू सबसे greater होगी वो greater होगा. Okay, so this term will be greater. now we have selecting the smallest number. so this is understandable that the smallest number lies between that 4 terms. Okay, so here the first number is 2. now compare the second number. here at 100 place, here the 8, here the number is 4, here the number is 7, here the number is 4. if you observe that we have selecting the smallest number, but here the number 8, this is the greatest of these all four terms. Okay, so this is not the smallest number. Now the 7, after this comes 7 less than this term, but now less than this term, but know the greatest smallest between these four. Smallest digits are these four. Now we have selecting the smallest between these twos. These two, because these are greater than these two terms. Okay, now we have selecting the smallest number, smallest digit, so we have taken these two terms. Now selecting the smallest between these twos, between these twos. Now compares, it has same value at 100 place, now compared at tens place. If you observe that here the number is 1, here the number is 3, so the number has less value at tens place, the number has less value at tens place should be smallest. इसका यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 3 है, ये स्मॉल नंबर है, तो यही नंबर इन दोनों में से स्मॉल होगा. ओके, these are greater than these two. Now we are selecting from these two the smallest number, so this is the final number, that is smallest of all other terms. This is the smallest of all other terms. You should put the cross at this term. Okay, understand? Hopefully you understand, student. Solve other two remaining parts in your notes and practice it very well.